Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your Fiverr earnings straight to your PayPal account step by step. If you are a freelancer looking to get paid, this guide is for you. First of all, log into your Fiverr account. Open a browser like Chrome, then search for Fiverr. Click the first link and log into your account with your login credentials. Make sure your earnings are available. Fiverr holds funds for 14 days after an order is marked complete. Now, once you are logged in, click on your profile picture from the right side corner. From the drop down menu, select Earnings or Billing and Payments. First of all, switch to Selling Account. Now, from your Business tab, select Earning. Here you will see your available balance and payout options. If you haven't already linked your PayPal account, you need to do that first. Click on Add Payout Method. Select the PayPal option, then click Continue, then click Fill it here. Fiverr will send a confirmation email to your registered email address or open the email, click the verification link and follow the instructions to connect your PayPal account. Then enter your PayPal login credentials. Once PayPal is linked, go back to the earning page. Then click withdraw. It's look like that. I will show you. Click Fiverr, search Fiverr payout and go to image section, and here it is. You can see withdraw balance option in dashboard. Click on it. A confirmation will pop up. Click yes to proceed. Fiverr will transfer the money to your PayPal and you will usually receive it within a few minutes. Now head over to your PayPal account and log in. You should see the Fiverr payment under recent activity. The sender will be listed as Fiverr International. You are good to go. Keep in mind, Fiverr charges a small withdrawal fee for PayPal, usually around $1 Also, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified, linked to a bank or card to avoid any transfer issues. And that's how you withdraw your Fiverr earnings to PayPal in just a few steps. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.